Alright, here we have Santa's Christmas globe opened in Photoshop. And we want to put a picture in it. So, quick and easy, we'll go to File to get our picture. I always place embedded. Takes me to my pictures. Here's my picture I want to use. Select it and place. Okay, there it is. We're going to make it a little bit bigger because it's a good sized globe. Alright, place it. Alright, now we need to put a mask on it because it's bigger than our globe. So let's bring the opacity down just a little bit so we can kind of see through it. There we go. Put a layer mask on with your brush. Have a black soft brush, and I have it 100% here. Take your picture, kind of go around these edges, soften them up, get rid of what's outside of the globe. Okay, hit these edges. If you took too much and you want to put some in, you got to take and change it to your white. So I hit X, and that changes it back and forth. Make your brush white. You can paint a little bit back in, hit X, make it black again, paint a little bit back out until you're happy. Alright, change your opacity on your picture back up. I think I'll take a little bit more up here. Alright. There you go. Quick and easy. Got your picture and your backdrop. You can flatten this, and now you can save it, and it'll save to my pictures, and done. Thank you for watching, and Merry Christmas.